Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, matibay student.
Welcome to Matibay Class! O, diba? Parang walang sakit ng ulo.
Parang hindi tayo nainis.
Parang hindi tayo nag-take kasi nga hindi naman pala nagre-record
Sakit yung
mamaya.
headphones. Oh my gosh.
Pagod na pagod kami mga anak, but we have to do this dahil love
Love
namin
namin
lahat.
kayo. Yes, and for today mga anak, we will be talking about differentiating markdown and markup.
Okay, madali lang yan. Pag markdown, ibig sabihin may pagbaba. Pag markup, ibig sabihin may pagtaas. Huwag na natin i-discuss pa.
From the word itself. Okay, that is for module number 9. And of course, we have two objectives for today.
Our first objective or target is to differentiate markdown and markup na sinabi ko na kanina.
Yes, and second one is to illustrate how markdown and markup are obtained. Paano nga ba sila nangyayari? Okay, of course, unahin muna natin yung definition of terms. Mga terminologies natin.
Let's start with the cost. Okay, when we say cost, is the price a merchandising business or retailer pays for a product. Okay, yan po ang presyo ng particular product. Okay.
Yes, presyo ng isang product. And we also have, ayan, selling price or retail price. It is the price for which a merchandising business or retailer sells a product to a customer. Kung magkano ba niya binibenta ang isang product.
Yes, okay. Kung makikita natin yan, ito yung retail price niya.
Yes,
Ayan na.
retail price.
Selling price, okay. Mark up from the word up, ibig sabihin may pagtaas, is the difference between the selling price and the cost. A markup is added to the cost to cover the operating expenses and provide a profit to the owners. Take note of the word added, okay? And when we say added, ibig sabihin may nadagdag.
Yes.
Up, may pagtaas. Okay,
Yes. Para daw magkaroon siya ng profit. Siyempre naman. Okay, next will be ayan, markup rate, it is the percent to markup. So, take note mga anak, dahil rate yung nandyan, syempre, ang hinahanap natin ay yung
ilang porsyento ba ang
percent.
itinaas
Ayan,
nung
percent
presyo or
markup.
nung product? That is markup rate. And markdown is a price reduction from the original selling price of merchandise. From the word down, okay, take note of the word reduction. Merong pagbaba. May pagbawas. Okay? That is markdown.
And last but not the least, ay wala pa pala. The following variables will be the mathematical treatment of markup. Ito daw yung mga gagamitin natin. Okay, so first is
SP is our selling price.
M sub SP is our markup on selling price.
Okay. C is our cost.
MR is our markup rate.
Our M is our markup.
Ayan, MR sub C is our markup on cost.
Pwede rin namang MC is our
Yes.
markup on cost.
And
syempre,
last, we have MR sub SP is our markup rate on selling price. So, sa yan
Okay.
yung mga magiging ano natin, abbreviation ba tawag doon?
Yes, yan ang ating
Ayan.
mga abbreviation.
Yes.
Okay, next are the following formulas. Let's start with selling price. When we say selling price, it is the cost plus M or C plus M.
Yes. And for MR sub SP, it is equal to M sub SP all over SP. So, yung mga SP na yan yung pinakita
Selling
natin
price.
kanina.
Mark M is marked up.
Oh, actually, yung mga formulas na yan, magagamit pa natin?
Hindi masyado because ako nga, di ba?
Yes.
I'd rather choose to
Go on
analyze
with the problem. Yes.
very carefully the problem at si problem mismo ang magbibigay sa iyo ng
Formula.
sagot. So
And
ganun
syempre,
yun.
diba, sa exam, memorize nyo ba yung sa dami ng formulas
Yung naman
yan?
9 na
Syempre,
formulas,
hindi.
no. Go on with the question, then the question ang magbibigay sa iyo ng equation.
Ayun, at yun ang ipapakita namin sa inyo sa ating mga
Examples! Okay, let's have our example number 1. A mathematics book cost the store manager 161 pesos and he marked it up another 89 pesos. What was the selling price of the book? Okay, in this particular problem, mga anak, take note of the word mark it up. Okay, when we say mark it up, sabi ko nga, mark up may pagtaas. Okay, let's analyze the question very carefully. Yung mathematics book daw na nagkakahalaga ng 161 ay nag-mark up ulit ng another 89 pesos. Obviously, i-plus mo lang ang ating 89 sa original price.
Yes.
Isn't it? Okay, di ba sabi nga, sa selling price is always equal to the cost plus markup. Ang pantinaas. Ang cost po dyan ay 161. Yun yung original. Isn't it, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
Plus markup, which is 89 pesos. Obviously, ang hirap, 161 plus 89. Ang presyo na ngayon or selling price is equal to 250 pesos. Are we
Ayan,
clear?
so kahit hindi mo gamitin yung formula,
Alam mo
malalaman
na-
mo
na
agad na
250.
kailangan mo siyang i-add.
Okay, next. Number 2 tayo. AUS Electronics pay 3,200 for a digital camcorder. If the markup is 19% on the cost, find the selling price.
Yun.
Tumaas daw ng 19% doon sa ating cost, which is 37,200. Find the selling price. Okay, markup ulit, may pagtaas. First step, kapag ganyan ang problem mga anak, is to multiply the original price
Kung ilan.
to the given markup rate, which is 19%.
Yes.
Alam natin mga anak, na 19% is also equal to 0.19. Isn't it, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
So, i-multiply natin 37 times 0.19 or 19%. Using our scientific calculator, we have na 37,200 times 19% or 0.19 is equal to 7,068. Oh, final answer na ba? Of course not, because we are looking for the selling price. Ito ang ating ginatawag na
markup
price. Okay? Dahil yan ang 19% ng 37,200. Okay? At ito mga anak ay kailangan nating i-add sa original price. So, step 2 is to add 37,200 plus 7,068. Okay, nagkakaintindihan naman Tintin?
Yes.
Using our calculator, plus po ito plus yan. Sorry na.
Hindi yun yung plus.
Ay, sorry.
Ayun, no?
Ulitin natin para hindi malito ang ating mga anak. 37,200 plus
Yan.
7,068. Okay? Equal to. Okay, meron tayong 37,200 plus 7,068. That is equal to 44,268 answer. Take note, wala tayong ginamit na formula. Inanalyze lang natin ang problem, nakuha natin ang sagot kapareho ng inyong nasa module. Okay.
Yun. For our third example, your friend diets and goes from 125 pounds to 110 pounds. What was her percentage weight loss? So, ano ang unang proseso natin dyan? Siyempre, of course, kunin mo muna kung ilan daw yung kanyang, anong tawag doon? Weight loss. So, isusubtract mo siya. We have 125 minus 110 is equal to, ang hirap, 15. Next, since nakuha mo na yung sagot dyan, para malaman mo kung ilan ang kanyang percentage, you need to divide this into her original weight. So, divided by 125 lang. 15 divided by 125 using our calculator. 15 divided by 125 is equal to, ayan, 0.12. It is equal to 0.12. But of course, dahil percentage ang nahanap, ano ang formula natin dyan? Just simply multiply it to 100. So, it is equal to 12%.
Tingnan mo dyan, Ma'am Tintin, hindi mo yan makikita dyan sa ating formula sa TG.
Yes.
Pero by simply analyzing it,
problem, makukuha natin yung
12%.
tamang sagot.
At titingnan nila dyan, ma'am, tama ang 12%. And take note, ma'am, baka ma-encounter nila sa future problem, okay? Kapag ganyan ang problem, mga anak, at weight loss,
Yes,
okay,
ang hinahanap.
ang i-divide mo dyan ay yung
Original weight.
Okay, pero
Pero
kung
kapag
weight gain, okay, doon sa pangalawang na gain niya.
doon sa
Nagets yun?
pangalawang
Oo.
weight.
Okay.
Okay.
Clear.
Yes, and for fourth example, Timmy wants to buy a scooter and the price was 3,500 pesos. When he goes to the store when he goes to the store a second time, he found that the price was marked down by 20%. What is the new price? Okay, discounted daw ng 20% or bumaba daw ng 20% yung original price. So, ang original price natin ay 3,500. Since bumaba siya ng 20%, i-multiply natin siya kay 0.20 dahil alam natin ang 20% ay 0.20. So, by multiplying it, we have 3,500 times 0.20 is equal to 700. Question, is that the final answer
No.
already? No, kasi ang hinahanap niya,
New price.
what is the new price? So, ang gagawin mo ngayon, yung 700, ililes mo lang siya sa original price. Kasi nga, nag-markdown daw siya. So, kapag niles mo yan, we have 3,500 minus 700, it is equal to 2,800 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, ang new price na po ng scooter na gusto niyang bilhin is 2,800. Ayun, uulitin ko, hindi tayo nag-formula, pero nag-come up tayo sa tamang sagot.
Our final example or last example sa module na ito, Zach has an old car. He wants to sell it for 60% off the current price. Okay? The market price is 500,000. Okay? How much money would he receive in exchange for the car? Take note of the word 60% off. Okay?
Yes.
Bumaba
May
siya.
markdown.
Okay? So 500,000 po ang kanyang market price. Okay? I-multiply natin mga anak ng 60% or 0.60. Okay? So 500,000, 1, 2, 3 times 0.60, that is equal to 300,000. Ang tanong, is that the final answer?
No.
Why? Sabi niya, how much money would he receive in exchange for the car? Ito lang po ang kanyang binaba. Okay? Now, we have to subtract this 300,000 to the original price. So, we have now 500,000 minus 300,000. Kaya ang makukuha na lang niyang pera in exchange of the car or for the car is 200,000.
200,000.
Are we clear, Ma'am Tintin?
Yes.
Okay, this is the final answer. Again, wala tayong formula na ginamit. Nag-analyze lang tayo. Then, we come up with the correct answer.
Ayun. So, thank you so much for today, mga anak. Okay? Alam ko, parami ang formulas natin. Parami ang mga kailangan natin i-analyze.
May
Pero,
mga time na medyo magiging mahirap ang lahat.
complicated.
Pero lahat yan ay kakayanin yung mga anak dahil lahat tayo ay #matibay.
Matibay!
Bye-bye mga anak.
Bye-bye!